Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Gemini generate images. Gemini is a powerful tool that can bring your creative visions to life by generating unique images from simple text descriptions. To begin, you just need to tell Gemini what you want to see. Think of it as giving instructions to an artist. The more specific you are, the better the outcome will be. We'll cover how to craft effective prompts in the next few slides. Crafting a great prompt is key to getting the images you envision. Start by clearly describing your subject, what it's doing, and where it is. For example, instead of a dog, try a golden retriever playing fetch in a sunny park. You can also specify artistic styles, like watercolor or cyberpunk. Adding details about colors, lighting, and even the camera angle can significantly enhance your results, giving you precise control over the final image. Sometimes, your first attempt might not be exactly what you had in mind, and that's perfectly fine. Review the images Gemini generates and think about what you'd like to change. Perhaps the pose isn't quite right, or the background needs a different feel. You can easily modify your original prompt, adding or removing details to refine the output. Don't hesitate to experiment with various keywords. It's a fantastic way to discover new creative possibilities and achieve your desired look. To take your image generation to the next level, consider using advanced techniques. Negative prompts, for instance, allow you to specify what you don't want in the image, like no blurry background. For more intricate scenes, combine several descriptive phrases to build a rich and detailed vision. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you experiment with different prompts and settings, the better you'll become at guiding Gemini to create truly stunning and unique visuals for any purpose.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.